Today on PowerNation Daily, a hotel valet driver parks a Porsche where it doesn't belong. A motorcycle jet ski combination hits the streets. A General Motors executive crashed the 2019 ZR1 pace car during pace laps. And a motorcycle racer that does something you just don't see every day. Not to mention the Mustang GT gets stung in the quarter mile. It all happens right here, right now on PowerNation Daily. Hey, what's up guys? I'm Gannon Pritchard and this is PowerNation Daily. Be sure to stop by our website and check out more information at PowerNationTV.com, but let's get with it because we got some good stories. This valet driver that was at the Hyatt Regency Hotel in Australia went to park a soft-top Porsche Carrera, but it didn't exactly go as planned. Not even close. The Porsche ended up under another vehicle instead of parking in a parking spot, and they actually had to cut the guy out of the car. Aside from the humiliation, everyone involved was okay, which is good. Witnesses said they thought this was like out of a movie or something, but it wasn't. It was real life. That's crazy. Here's something you've probably never seen before, a motorcycle jet ski hybrid. Facebook page Urban Leak posted the video, and although there's not much detail about this, it's obviously weird, but it's obviously kind of cool and creative. I'm just curious what else this guy has in his garage. I'm almost afraid to ask. So there was a delay this year at the Detroit Grand Prix, but it wasn't due to weather or track conditions. The General Motors Executive VP of Global Product Development, my man behind the wheel of the 2019 Corvette ZR1 pace car, put it in the wall in the parade laps. The crash into the wall took a good portion of the front of the car off, but IndyCar brought out a backup pace car, not something you see every day, but the good news is the race continued and everybody was okay. This is pretty impressive. What could have been a major disaster turned into an epic save. Moto3 racer Jacob Confrel managed to jump his bike over another bike and landed in the sand trap. That's pretty cool stuff. I wonder what he was thinking when he landed it. The Kia Stinger GT managed to beat out Ford's Mustang GT in the quarter mile. Although both cars are similar in price and performance, the Mustang just couldn't put it together and pull off the win. YouTube channel Throttle House posted a video that shows the Stinger taking the win, and although Mustang would probably win in ideal situations or a longer run, the Stinger all-wheel drive turbocharged torque gave it the edge it needed to win the race. The fact that Kia is actually competing against the GT and actually winning just shows you how far Kia's come. I'd still rather have a Mustang GT, but it's still impressive. Thanks for watching PowerNation Daily, everybody. I'm Gannon Pritchard. Let us know what you want to see on PowerNationTV.com. Have a good rest of your day.